So this weekend, me and Ryan were supposed to be going to the UP to fix the feeder, fix a couple cameras, and get ready to go bear hunting. All the tags ended up being sold out, so we didn't get a bear tag. So we decided that we're gonna go up the first weekend of September. It'll be cooler, and it's just a new time of year that we haven't went up before. So Monday, Jason calls me and says, hey, I got a new property in Kentucky. Do you want to go help set it up? Right now I'm at the Rush Hunt Club in Ohio, and we're at camp and we're getting ready to go out and do some food plotting and some trimming and all types of work today at the hunting properties here in Ohio. And then from there we're going to head to Kentucky. We're going to stay there for 2 days. We're going to work on the new property and then another property he has there. Saw a couple big bucks on a drive through, which was really exciting. So it's encouraging, you know, for this upcoming season. So I'll be hunting here, Kentucky, Michigan.
That rock corn goes in that thing. We're gonna put it right here. Come in here, fill that takes 40 pounds. There's an arc corn. I don't know if you guys know that. But I'm asking. This is an arc corn. Okay. The camera will get it. We're on the screen. Way back there. That camera will get them all the way to the back.
We just trimmed one stand. This is actually the stand right below the cabin, and got some corn out, corn feeder, and got the Spy Point trail camera down there. So that's Spy Point link there. He had to change the batteries. Obviously, he left them on the trees, and when he came back, changed all the batteries. They all still work. He's been sending me images, and maybe he'll let me upload some to this video. Now we're going to be on to another destination.
Soldier, like Bob Marley, raised off of clothes from the Salvation Army. It's not open, there it
is. My favorite thing to use as a deer attractant is just a regular salt block, a mineral block, not a salt block, mineral block. As you see, I mean, they come back to it all year round. I mean, that's it right there. And every place I've put one, we've always had deer come back to that spot. The one on my farm there in Michigan, I haven't put a salt block there in 3 years, and they visit it every single day. And a very nice shooting opening. The king of the stone. And then we got the trail coming in here. And it's a pretty heavy trail.
He is filming.
Like he had the scooper in there. I thought he was going to pour it and stuff. That's funny.
You gotta change size.
Yeah, but it's manually do this one.
Fine. Beans are beans.
Yeah.
It's about 1,100 yards, like I told you. You walk down the edge of the beans and come around here, come right through there. So it's a mess till them beans are picked. When the beans are picked, it won't be bad.
Yes. The most spectacular man. The greatest. Hostile man. In the beginning there was nothing there, just me, opportunity in air. In the beginning there was nothing there, just me, opportunity in air. In the beginning there was nothing there, just me, opportunity in air. In the beginning there was nothing there, just me, opportunity in air.
Can you hear the tractor? We got Jason putting in the full plot. We went and mowed, I laid out some corn, got the camera on, and now we're about to seed it, and then we're going to go to drive back to the cabin and get our stuff and head to the truck.
Outside the ears and like a foot tall. Quit licking my bacon bag. Fearless. Yeah, I see. I bet this thing's a stone killer.
You're just gonna flip that whole thing right in your truck?
Philip.
Huh?
Philip,
yeah.
number.
Think you can do it? We got the right guy for that.
Good. Watch his tail lights. Let us know if we're gonna hit the tail lights.
I'm outside the truck. You're gonna have the bad part here in a second, Josh. Want me to hop up there?
This is dumb. Stop again.
Lay it back down.
Come on. Hand me the green strap. The green strap.
We're out at the new farm. We were just at the old farm, and now we're moving the stands from there to here. We saw a couple pretty nice bucks here on our way out last night. Right now we're going to just look at some areas to see where we're going to put a stand at.
That one's a little closer to the field. Every 3 yards, 3 yards further.
Well, it's up a little higher, so you're up another 5 feet. Yeah. It's a really heavy trail. So we got this old road here along the back side of this hayfield. But we opened this up, so we got a shot here. You can shoot probably up to 30 yards here. 30 yards here, 15, 20, 10. That's it for our first stand at the new spot.
attracting all cattle, so. Pickled.
For that reason. It's just to, if we're tree standing, but right here, look at it. We can kind of,
Or we just slide it down and spin it on the way down. Bring it to me, or you. Spin it right up.
find the right part.
Did anybody go get that, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go that way a little bit as you come back. Straighten out. Straighten your wheels. There you go. Foot. Good.
You'll drop it right off if you're not careful too. I've done it before. And just relax. Like that, like that.
That. There you go. Right here to me. Okay, push your side in some. See how the door's got to go?
Hey, just stop for now. Put the ladder on. You get in it and move it. Trust me, I can do that part.
It's a problem. We're gonna have to fix it. See the gap?
That's not even touching the ground.
Huh?
That one's not even touching the
The
ground.
back leg?
Just put one in for now.